Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is finally the day, it's shop update day. I have just filmed this video now to show you all of the things that's in my shop, my Etsy shop for this Christmas shop update that's finally here. I was waiting on my washi tape to arrive, it finally has, it's amazing, I'm so happy with it, and I thought I would just run you through all of the bits that I have available. Now I'm going to be giving you a 10% off discount code to use until midnight UK time tonight, so that is around about 8 hours from now. From this video going live, you only have 8 hours to get 10% off. The reason I'm giving a discount code today is because I am 10 days late for when I wanted to do the shop update, and in order to say sorry for that, I've given a 10% off discount code, so a percentage for every day I was late. So sorry for that. I couldn't help with all the delays with the shipping and stuff. It just was what it was. So I will leave a discount code down in the description so you can use that on my Etsy store to get 10% off. First of all, I'm going to start by showing you the gift boxes because they have items available in which are going to be separate on my store. But I have made 3 discount boxes like I did last time because they were very popular, and I've made them so that the items inside are worth more than what the gift boxes are for. So it's kind of like a little discount box. So you get more things for your money inside of those. I have 3 available this time. One is a red one is a blue one, and one is a pink one. They're all different themed. The pink one is a carb-themed box, so not just Christmas on this Christmas update, just in case you wasn't in the market for some Christmas stuff. I've made some non-Christmassy things as well. So without rambling on anymore, I'm just going to get straight on into it. Before I do go though, if you do make an order, be sure to let me know, like send me a message on Etsy or something, like saying, oh, please package my order on video or something, because I'd love to feature you in my studio vlog, say thank you for your order and package your order up on camera. But I don't want to do it obviously if you don't want me to. So if you want your order to be packaged on my Instagram or my studio vlog, then leave a comment and then I will see what I can do for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you are the boxes. I have a pink box, a blue box, and a pink box available this time. I did the boxes in my last shop update and they was really popular actually, because I was able to put quite a few things in the boxes and obviously at a cheaper price. So I have a few more available this time because I have 3 designs. It's just easier for me to make them up into boxes as I'm able to make things in bulk, so then I'm able to make things even cheaper. I also like to put exclusive things inside of the boxes that you won't be able to get anywhere else on my shop. So this is the first box. The red one is the Gingerbread Kisses box. It comes with 2 A6 art prints. These are the prints that you will receive. So you get the gingerbread boy and girl print there, and then the 'Tis the Season. I made this completely from scratch, both of them, and this one here I wanted to make look like it was gingerbread cookies, just to kind of match in with the gingerbread on this one. I've tied in the pink colours and I really like it. On the green background of this one you get the snowflake pattern, and then you get these cute little gumdrop buttons on there as well, which I think is absolutely adorable. So these are the A6 print sets, and these are available to purchase separately on my store as well. Next in the box, as always, you will get a pin. So the pin in this box is a handmade polymer clay pin, like a peppermint swirl. It comes with a rubber back on the back as well as a metal one. It's covered in glitter and I absolutely love it. The next thing you will get is this keychain. This is the Gingerbread Boy keychain. I absolutely adore him. If my camera would focus on him, that would be helpful. But I don't know if you can just see his little face in there. He is so cute. I've just opened him up so that you can get an even better view. But here he is. He's so shiny and glittery. He's so cute. His painting goes all the way around. He's just got that little bow on there. If you don't like it, you can just like untie it, but I just like the little touch it gave, and that is the keychain. He's also available to buy separately on my store. I do have loads more keychain designs coming, so hold your horses if you want to see those. The box exclusive for this one actually is this little clay charm. So this is a little gumdrop charm. I just imagine this to be like one of the little gumdrops on the little kind of belly of the gingerbread boy there, and these aren't made anywhere else in my store. I've only made enough for the gingerbread boxes, so the only way you'll be able to get one of these is through the boxes. But yeah, there's the little charm. The next thing included in this box are the Gingerbread Kisses handmade sticker pack. So in this sticker pack you'll get a gingerbread girl, gingerbread boy, gumdrop buttons, peppermint swirl and a gingerbread house. These are handmade by me on HD photographic sticker paper, which provides a really nice shiny stickery base. Yeah, really love these sticker packs and cannot wait for you to, you know, use them. I can't wait to see pictures of them, and these are sold separately as well. And the last thing inside of this box is a brand new washi tape. This is a Gingerbread Kisses washi tape, and on this one it has gingerbread boys, gingerbread girls, little gumdrop buttons, candy canes on there. It's also got little lollipops, and it says Gingerbread Kisses every 30 centimeters. There's 10 meters of tape on all of my washi tapes, and this is one of the new ones. So moving on to the blue box now. This is the Snowflake Wishes box. That's what I call this one. And inside you get an A6 prints. You get one with a snow globe on with these cute little snowballs on, and then a let it snow in this icy type text that I drew, and that's what these two look like. I absolutely adore these. These took me days to actually finally complete until I was completely happy with them, and I'm so glad I persevered because they are so adorable. Again, available to purchase separately on my shop. The next thing, I have a Snowflake Wishes sticker pack. So I've got a mitten, snowflake, snowballs, an igloo, a snowman on there. Look at those. I've then got a polymer clay pin in this one as well, and this is actually just a little winter mitten. He's so glittery. Again, it comes with a little rubber pin back on there. He's so adorable. I thought I'd give something a little bit different to this box and make him a mitten instead of just doing something white, because I thought it just looked really cute. The box exclusive for the Snowflake Wishes box is this little snowball. He's so cute. He's a little charm on there with a little lobster clasp. He's covered in 4 layers of glitter, meaning he's like super snowy and glittery, and I absolutely love him. The only place you can get him is from this box. The keychain that's in the Snowflake Wishes box is this snowman. He is adorable, again completely covered in iridescent glitter. Nice little chunky boy, has a blue bow on his keychain with the silver kind of ring bit instead of the gold one on the gingerbread, and there he is. And the final thing for this box is again another washi tape, and this is another Christmas one, a brand new one, and this is the Snowflake Wishes washi tape. He has little snowballs on there, snowflakes on there, like little snowmen. It's kind of hard to see, but when it's on a white background it looks amazing, so I will leave a swatch on screen now. That is the Snowflake Wishes box. I also have a pink box, which is going to be another card box. This one here is completely different to one I've ever done before. Like I said in my last update, I did a card box, but this one here is different because I'm doing 3 of them, only 3, and they're all going to have a different plush inside. I showed how I made these, I think earlier on in the week. I made a butter, an avocado toast and an egg one, as you can see here on the themes. So each box is going to have the varying plush in. Obviously there's only one of each available, so you have the choice of what box you want. But in the box as well, you're going to get this sticker pack. This sticker pack is available on my shop to buy separately as well, but you're going to get a little baguette boy in there, another baguette boy in there, both with completely different faces on, and then you're going to get one each of the little toast stickers on there, and it's just a little kawaii bread boy sticker pack. I adore that. In this box as well, you're going to get one of the holographic bread is life stickers from Sticker App. Love these. I do have seconds of these available on my store as well for a really good price, but that's what those turn out like. These are vinyl stickers which you can stick on like water bottles. You can use them outdoors on anything like that because they are weatherproof. So yeah, look at them. So shiny. So shiny. It's like getting a real special sticker. So the next thing in here is a toast charm. I love to put a little charm in each of my boxes, and this is the one I chose to include in this one because the last one had the baguette boy little charm in there, so I thought I'd put a toast one in this one this time. The pin in this box, I've actually chosen to use an acrylic pin because the acrylic pins are so cool. They look so effective on like backpacks and stuff. They're obviously made from recycled acrylic as well. I've made them up their own little backing cards. I think they look so sweet. They just say I love carbs along the middle, and I think that they're perfect on a backpack, so I've included them in this box. Obviously you're going to get the plush. I will leave the 3 on screen now so you can see which ones you have to choose from. And then the final thing in the carb gift box is the I Love Carbs washi tape. So this has I Love Carbs written on it every 30 centimeters like the other ones do. Has the baguette boys and then toast on there as well. This one here is a really nice vibrant pink, and that's the last thing that you're going to get in this box. Regarding keychains, I have 5 available. The non-Christmassy one is just a baguette boy keychain. You would have seen me make this in a recent video because I did a video on me making a load, and that's when I actually made these up. So there's the baguette boy, just a nice little chunky glittery guy. I have a gingerbread one, which obviously you would have seen in the red gift box. Like I said, this is available to purchase separately. He's so sweet there, along with his little snowman friend, which is available in the blue box. Like I said, all of the satin ribbons are available to just like pull off. You can just pull them off if you don't want them on there. My favorite keychain of the lot though is the peppermint swirl. He is such a chunky boy, and he's definitely my favourite out of the lot. He's so glittery as well, but I just love him, and I'm definitely going to have him hanging off one of my backpacks this Christmas season. And then last but not least, I also have this little Christmas pudding one here as well. He's nice and shiny, coated in loads of UV resin with a little satin ribbon as well, and I think that they would just make great gifts, these keychains. I love them. They're all hand sculpted by me using polymer clay, then hand painted with acrylic, and then, you know, sealed in with the UV resin there. So regarding polymer clay keychains, I have the little baguette boy keychain there. He's covered obviously all in his resin and all of his glitter like I usually do. He's a nice little chunky boy. Look at him go. And that is the little baguette boy. I also have a peppermint swirl. He's a chunky one. I love this one. This is probably my favorite one out of the lot. I just adore it. I've painted around the same pattern onto the back as well, so there he is, all swirly and twirly. I have a gingerbread boy with the fuchsia satin ribbon. This one here is also available in the red gift box, but look at that. Look at all of his glitter. He is so cute. I have this snowman, which is available in the blue gift box or obviously individually. And then I have this Christmas pudding. Look at him. He's so cute. I love how shiny they are, how glittery they are. These are all hand sculpted from polymer clay, and then they've got the little satin ribbons on the keychains as well, which again you can just pull off if you don't want them to stay on there. Now I really don't have that many charms, like little charm wise, because I was making the like special ones for the boxes and stuff, but I have decided to make a little gingerbread boy charm. He's so cute just because I love him so much that I needed him in every form. He has the gold little lobster clasp, and then I've made a little snowman as well so he can match on with a silver, and then I've just ended up making a little candy cane there because I thought that was so cute and he'd work so well as a charm. He does have wire in throughout him, as do these pieces as well, just to reinforce them, but I absolutely adore how these have turned out. I also have this art print available. It's just a single art print which just says Merry Christmas, and it's got this cute little Christmas pudding on the front. He's so cute, but I don't know if you can see up close, but actually on the berries there, they have all these cute little faces on. Oh, look, they're so tiny, but they are so adorable. So I really like this print. I'm going to be putting this up on my wall in the background of my videos because I just think it's such a cute little touch, and I love that. So I think that's pretty much it for the Christmas themed stuff. I have actually added my enamel pins onto this shop update. Finally, it's been a long time coming. So this is the classic shrimp enamel pin, just of my logo on there. He's so cute. Look at him in all of his glory. He's a gold, just beautiful little enamel pin. I adore him. That's what he looks like on his little backing card. I also have this enamel pin here, which is the shrimp in the bowl one. He's so adorable. Again, out of his little card though, he just like this. Look at that. He's so cute. He's such a little pastel boy, and with his chunky little bowl there. And then last but not least, this is probably my favorite enamel pin that I have made, and this is the shrimp in the UFO. Look at that. He's so pastel and so cool and so shiny. Just a little shrimp there in his UFO, and it says "You're out of this world." I love that. I think it would make a fantastic gift for anybody. So yeah, really excited to see if any of you pick these up. I hope you do. I absolutely love them. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you have enjoyed having a little look what's on my shop update. If you do make an order, then please do let me know. I would love to feature you in a little packing with me video, that sort of stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon for another DIY. Bye.